Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we dive into AP pre-calculus problems and break them down to make them easy to understand. Today we're tackling a question about rational functions and their characteristics. This question is specifically from the topic of equivalent representations of polynomial and rational expressions. So, our problem today is based on the function f of x equals x squared minus 9 over x squared minus 9x plus 20. Simply find the f of x described in this graph. Simplify f of x and describe its graph. So we need to simplify f of x and describe its graph, specifically looking for holes and vertical asymptotes based on the given choices. First, let's simplify f of x. Notice that the numerator, we have x squared minus 9 in it. It's the differences of squares. So, you know that a squared minus b squared is a plus b times a minus b. So, x squared minus 9 will be equal to x minus 3 times x plus 3. So now let's factor the denominator. In the denominator, the expression x squared minus 9x plus 20 can be factored as some x and x and 5 and 4. When you multiply 5 and 4, you get 20, but when you add them, you're supposed to get negative 9. Because of that, these both will be negative. And this can be factored as then x minus 5 times x minus 4. Because the roots of the quadratic equation are x equals 5 and x equals 4. So putting them together, f of x simplifies to x plus 3 times x minus 3 over x minus 5 times x minus 4. So notice that there are no common factors between the numerator and denominator. So there are no holes in the graph. Next, let's identify the vertical asymptotes. They occur where the denominator equals 0, assuming these points are not cancelled out by the numerator. So we have vertical asymptote at, when you look at it, to find them, we'll just make it equal to 0. So x is 5 and x is 4. So we have the vertical asymptote at x equals 4 and x equals 5. Let me rewrite this 5. So this function again has no holes, as there were no common factors to cancel out. So let's take a look at the options. If you look at the option C, says the graph has vertical asymptotes at x equals 4 and x equals 5. That matches our analysis perfectly. Because of this choice C will be the answer for the specific question. Thank you for joining us at Math Jamboree. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest math videos. If you have any questions or need further clarification, leave a comment below, and we'll happy to help. Happy studying. Bye-bye.